Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail. So today video I'm gonna do the review for this Katy Perry Meow fragrance or the Perfume. So I'm not familiar with the celebrity fragrance, and this is I believe I was trying the Britney Spears, and I'm so curious to see other celebrities because I feel like Britney had a lot of good perfumes. So I'm so curious to try this one on. And on the Fran Garriga, they have the good review for this one. It's about vanilla and white floral, and I love white floral fragrance. So I bought it. Today I'm gonna do the unboxing and review for this one. If you wanna know the review of this fragrance, just stay tuned. Alright, let's unbox it. The box looks cute, not my favorite, but it looks okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the packaging. It's really cute. And I could see the Katy Perry resemblance for this fragrance. It's really cute. I haven't done the research what they have in here. I just know it's vanilla and white floral. So let's put it on. The spray is so fine. I like it. Ow. It's really strong. My initial thought, I could smell a lot of vanilla, and somehow it reminds me a little bit of some kind of cotton candy. The sweetness in here reminds me a little bit of like Opium by YSL. Alright. And anyway, right now it's 5:20, and I'll do the wear test for this fragrance. It's not overly sweet. It's sugary sweet. This gourmand doesn't bother me at all. It's not too strong. I like it. Alright guys, so for this fragrance, there's so many notes on here. The top notes are pear, tangerine, gardenia, jasmine. The middle notes are honeysuckle, African orange flower, lily of the valley. And the base notes are vanilla, amber, musk, and sandalwood. Alright, right now it's already dries down. This is such a lovely fragrance. It's really sweet, but at the same time, it's kind of delicate. It has that delicate white floral, but it's not too mature. So I feel like this one is a youthful and delightful fragrance. I don't smell those freshness ingredients in here. To me, I like the sweetness in here. It's not too much. It's really delicate. And now I could smell a little bit of jasmine, and jasmine in here is not the super strong mature jasmine. This one is just slightly a little bit, and it's kind of beautiful. And on the Fran Garriga website, this one has a really good ratings, so that's why I bought it. Alright guys, I'll be right back for more. Check it. Hi guys, welcome back. Right now it's around 9 p.m. The pear and the sandalwood here or the other floral, I could barely smell them, but somehow I feel like those notes make this fragrance kinda delicate and creamy. I could say that it's a little bit powdery and musky, but the sweetness in here is so perfect for me. It's not too much and it's not too sheer or too light. It's still strong, I would say, on my clothes and on my skin. Alright, I'll be back for more. Hi guys, I'm back. Right now it's around midnight. It's been more than 8 hours. Guys, I'm so surprised for this fragrance. Right now it still lasts on me. I'm so surprised that it lasts strongly on my skin 6 hours. And after that it started to change. So for that gourmand sweetness, it keeps fading, but the freshness just come up instead. So it's really strange. Right now I could smell those fresh notes, and it's really interesting, and it lasts really long. On my clothes it still lasts strongly, and right now it's 8 hours, so it's a long lasting fragrance, and it's so affordable. The packaging, the material is not the best, but the design and everything, so beautiful. It's such a good fragrance. So this one is the other celebrity fragrance that I would say is a good one. I think that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.